Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GeneratePress Premium Theme Easy Method. Install the theme, upload the premium plugin, and activate your license immediately so modules unlock. Next, enable key modules like colors, typography, sections, and layout to speed up design. Use site library templates to import a starter site, then adjust header, footer, and spacing to match your brand in minutes without coding. Open the customizer and choose layout options to control container width, sidebars, and spacing for every device. Use the header and footer builders to position your logo, menu, and any widget areas precisely. Configure individual post and archive settings to maintain consistent typography and featured image sizes. Remember to preview on mobile and tablet views, then save a global style so future pages match your new design automatically. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum upgrades your clean game with smart mapping and voice control, making tidying after site work effortless and almost fun. It saves time so you can focus on design, and it even navigates under couches without fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Leverage elements to build reusable headers, hooks, and layout assignments tailored to specific pages or post types without editing code. Combine site library starter templates with elements for fast, unique pages that match your brand. Export customizer settings and elements to move designs between sites or keep backups. Test changes in a staging site, then push live when satisfied to avoid downtime or broken layouts for visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.